If JDownloader 2 is showing the error, blocked by Cloudflare site protection while downloading, don't worry. Here's how to fix it. First, open your web browser and search for WARP VPN download or 1.1.1.1. Download and install Cloudflare WARP on your Windows PC. Once it's installed, open the Cloudflare WARP app. From the Mode menu, select Traffic and DNS, then click Connect. Wait until the VPN is connected. Now, go back to the website, copy your download links again, and open JDownloader 2. Go to Link Grabber and let it detect the links automatically. Select all the links, right-click, and choose Start Downloads. This time, the blocked by Cloudflare site protection error should be gone, and your files should start downloading normally. If the problem still continues, restart JDownloader after connecting to WARP and try again. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows and gaming fix videos. Thanks for watching.
Don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can